What up? So I will try to do this type of video 3 times. One is first 1 month living in Madrid, like you read on the title. The second video is living in Madrid for 3 months, and in the next 3 months I will do a video about the 6 month. So in this first video I will talk a little bit of how I handle to be myself alone in Madrid and why I came here. Why not? Let's hope. So I moved from, let's say, a small city, not a big, but a small city in Portugal. I came here to change my life. I came here in September of last year, 2021. I did like the first 12 days about like a tourist thing, like going to the big things on the city, try to see what the city is all about. It was like the first 12 days like a tourist, nothing more. I stay in one Airbnb for that 12 days. After that, and when the October month started, I start to try to regulate my thing here, try to make the papers, try to make the documentation necessary to live here. It was not easy, I have to tell you, but it was like for other 12 days, 13 days like that. It was like going back and forward, go here, go there, and go there, and go here. Someone give me that information, other they give me other, another give me other, so a lot of information differently. But in the end, like after 1 month in here in Madrid, I get the papers. It's okay. During like from the first day of October until get the papers, I was stayed on the new house, a small room with the bed, with some wardrobe, and with a bathroom, kitchen, all shared, all for me and 2 other people. Yeah, it started well, it started good, but when the days and the weeks passed, we understand what is living alone and what is living abroad. But it's okay. During that month, 2 friends, one came here to visit me, and the other, I saw some stories of him on Instagram showing the city and showing all the things that he's doing, and it's all about what? He's in Madrid. I text him. I did like 2 days with him and other 2 days with other friend. It's okay. I show the city. I see myself the city, some parts that I didn't saw. And during that time was like trying to do the papers, trying to do the documentation, try to do the single paper that I needed to be, let's say, legal here in Spain. After 1 month living here, I get that document, that little document, and from that it was like start to search for a job, and it was that. But during that time, or during this month, I start to realize that okay, I have to do on my own the things. I have to do the cleaning, I have to do the organization of the things in my bedroom, I have to do the shopping, I have to pay some things, I have to deal with people and things that in Portugal I didn't do it. Yeah, I start to do a little things differently that I did it, or that I do it in Portugal. So it was a change of dynamic, a change of pace, a change of life, really. And it was nice because I'm in a new city, a new place, and let's see, and try to knowledge and try to learn the different things that the next months I will be much higher in knowledge and learning much more, step by step, not too fast. And this is it. It was 1 month of trying to live here, try to learn new things, try to make the documentation, try to get a house, try to make a living, and learn how to live by yourself and alone. And it is not complicated, but it is not soft, like many people said. Oh, it's easy. Yeah, it's easy, but not too easy. You have to learn some things that you didn't want, and you learn some things that you want, but where you are in your country, in your city, in your group of friends, you cannot learn that kind of things. So it's a change that, for me, nothing more. So besides that, I will do another video about 3 months that I will live here in the channel. Let's see what will be the changes from 0 to 1 month and 1 month to 3 months. Let's hope that will be in a higher knowledge thing and learning more and more day after day, and try to get a job, try to be an employee here in Spain. Let's see. So stay tuned, peace, and be happy.